So congratulations on your nomination. This is amazing.
Thank you.
So I kind of want you guys to talk a little bit about what you do there at your company and how has the community impacted you and keep you going.
Who wants to talk about what we do here?
Can you see her? See?
I'm more than happy to do it. I just, anybody else?
Step up, dude.
You want to hear about what we do here? I'll stand. I'm in the nosebleeds back here. Hey, I'm Nick. I'm the project manager on the mitigation side. Myself, my team are focused on showing up when things go bad for usually homeowners, but we do work on the commercial side. There's a flood, a fire, mold, you name it. We're there to show up and help in whatever way we can. Sometimes that's tearing out affected parts of someone's home or taking out their stuff, their sentimental items, and cleaning them for them. There's not a whole lot of calls we get that my team doesn't have an ability to jump on and help someone out in one way or another. I mean, we've had people that had tenants in their home that were making a mess and they call to have us clean some carpets, or just now we're on a loss that I got a call from a young lady. Her father's out of town. The water line, a boiler line busted and flooded her childhood home. It's her whole life she was born and raised there. My team gets to go in and do everything they can to make it as good as it was or better, and help clean it up. So I think our role here is just to serve in whatever way we can when things go bad.
Yeah, just to piggyback on that real quick, Sasha, we, as Nick pointed out, we have an emergency service division, full contents restoration, anything, fire, water, mold, smoke, storm damage, vehicle impacts, anything you can think of that damages your property. We have the capabilities of taking care of it. We also have a full reconstruction side of the business. So we don't just come in and clean it up. We actually rebuild it and get you back to pre-loss condition or better.
Awesome. Now, does your company, do you take older buildings or residential homes? Do you take those and build those back from the ground up, or?
We've had opportunities to do a little bit of that in the past. The majority of our work is disaster restoration. So probably 85% of our work is through the insurance companies, with network partnerships that we have with them. So the majority of the time it's a broken pipe, it's an overflowed toilet, it's a kitchen fire, it's ice dams, vehicle impact again, mold issues, stuff like that.
So where do you see this company going? What's your goal, let's say, in like the next year?
In the next year? Well, the neat thing about Paul Davis is what I really like about this company and this network and this industry as a whole is we focus everything that we do on our purpose, which is to serve others. And
that's good. That's amazing.
One of the hurdles we face is we're just not a household name yet. And this time next year in Central New York, we will be.
Nice.
And that's all because of the people in this room.
Awesome.
Just have a great team. We're getting better, and it's time to let people know. I started this company because I knew people were underserved. You go to a restaurant, the waitress hardly looks at you. You go to a quick fill and get a cup of coffee. The guy behind the counter doesn't even look at you, doesn't say thank you, nothing. People are just underserved in every aspect of life. And there's two professions in the U.S. that are really looked down upon. One is lawyers and the other is contractors. And we're changing that in the Central New York region, at least with this team. We are absolutely dedicated to serving people. This is an inconvenient business. It's 24/7. The phone could ring at any time. And when that phone rings, we go, and we understand